Hello, this is Ringwright. Welcome to Software Architecture Learning Journal by Kotlin. In this series using Kotlin, I'll be sharing what I've learned about software architecture fundamentals. In this video, we'll discuss separating a single database into Todo session and user services in a service-based architecture. The key point is that by separating the databases, we lose foreign keys and cannot ensure data consistency through transactions. For instance, when a user unsubscribes, we need a mechanism other than transactions to ensure that associated todos and sessions previously guaranteed by transactions are deleted. We'll explain the unsubscribe mechanism based on the sample program here. Please check out the microservice architecture branch from the GitHub URL in the description for the source code. First, the user service deletes the record of the unsubscribed user from its own user table. Then it stores deletion tasks for the unsubscribed users, todos, and sessions in the database. In the background, a worker sequentially processes these deletion tasks, delegating todo deletion to the todo service and session deletion to the session service. Once deletion confirmation is received from each service, the deletion tasks are removed from the database let's also consider using undo, a dedicated delete user service for deletion. Request the deletion of data from each database's owner, the user service, todo service, and session service. If any of them fails, the deletion is undone. Each service needs to have an undo mechanism in this approach. let's briefly consider data consistency regarding the methods we've seen so far. The property concerning data consistency in distributed architectures is called eventual consistency. Eventual consistency means that given enough time, all data will synchronize with each other. This differs from the property of data consistency guaranteed by transaction commits, known as ECID properties. Please note that the examples we've discussed so far ensure eventual consistency, not ECID properties. Next, let's talk about service coordination methods. The method of managing multiple services through a dedicated service, as introduced in this video, is called orchestration. The dedicated service is called an orchestrator. That it is kind of, it's an approach that's easy to handle complex interactions such as error handling within each service. On the other hand, without a dedicated service for managing multiple services, but achieving it through a relay race-like method is called choreography. It's a method without strong coupling due to centralized management, unlike orchestration. That concludes the explanation in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay tuned for more content on introductory software architecture with Kotlin. Until next time, happy coding.